Hey
All right,
guys,
guys, we're going
Dave
to try
here
to
from
see if
Old
we can
Plymouth
get these
Garage. When I started putting
brake
this video
lines
together,
broke free
I
without
realized that I
twisting
had
them.
deleted the intro. So we jumped straight into work and we're changing the master cylinder on the 73 Scamp.
That one popped right loose. That one come loose too, so that's good. That's a major hurdle on these older cars, especially if they've never been changed or it's been a long time. You usually end up twisting off a brake line and having to make new brake lines. And that's always a pain in the butt. These come loose real easy, so that's a good start. Honey, there should be a round drain bucket right there. If we hand that over here, drain pan, just get it over here close here in a minute. I'm gonna need it. Yeah, I'm really surprised that those things come loose that easy. Hopefully the bolts to the firewall come off as easy as that did. Oh, that was tight. I don't know how long this master cylinder has been on there, but I'm assuming that it may be the factory piece. And hopefully the one we got from O'Reilly's isn't junk out of the box. It's not a remanufactured one. It says it's a new one, but I don't know if that even matters these days. The quality of aftermarket parts these days is pretty bad. Much better off if you can find some new old stock rather than the stuff they're putting out now. Now, so far so good. Where all the bolts are coming loose pretty easy. Grab my little tray over here so I don't lose nothing. Well, probably never see that again. Yeah, it is hot here in southern Indiana this week. It's about all week it's been in the mid-90s. We had meant to buy us a fan while we was in town this morning, for the garage here to get some air moving in there, and we totally forgot all about it. I don't know how much it would help with as hot as it is, though. All right, guys, we're back. Had to take a break in doing this. I had to order a couple parts. This little rubber grommet goes onto your push rod for your brakes here, and it didn't come with the new master cylinder, and I wasn't thinking about it. And of course, when I removed that old rod, or removed the rod, the old one just fell apart in pieces. And all this does is it keeps the rod from falling out. If you was to lift up on the brake pedal or something, it keeps the rod falling out of the back of the master cylinder. So I had to order that and wait on it. So it's actually the next weekend. I was out on the road all week, and so we had to wait for the next weekend. But we got that, and we got a new gasket put behind the master cylinder. So we're gonna get this master cylinder bench blade, get it put on the car, and hopefully get this thing put back together today. All right, guys, we got this master cylinder blade on the bench. New gasket put on there at the firewall. Just getting my line started. My nuts put back on. Yeah, you would think that that little rubber grommet would come with a new master cylinder, but it doesn't. It doesn't come with a gasket. And if you're like me and you don't think about it, then you're having to order it because, of course, no place local has it. I found that little grommet at Dr. Diff was the only place I could find online that had it. There may be other places, but that was the only place I seen that had one and had it in stock. And of course, the shipping on it cost more than the part. But hopefully, this will take care of our soft brake pedal issue and keep me from having to pump my leg off to get this thing to stop. Of course, we'll go through and bleed the brakes and everything once we get this all buttoned up here. Find my socket. I may have to use a wrench. Never what I. Right there it is. He's snugged up. Top of those bigger to get to. Alrighty. Line's tightened up. Alright, I'll get inside now and connect it to the brake pedal. And this part will be done. It'll just a matter of getting the brakes split. Be right back with you. Alright guys, got the brakes split. Just taking a little test drive. So far it feels really good. I don't think I've had this good of a pedal since I've had this car. It was always a little mushy, but nothing dangerous. But got a good hard pedal now. Everything seems to be working as it should. Alright guys, everything worked out. Heading back to the shop. Call a day, and we will see you in the next one. Catch you later.